In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image in Google Sheets. If you want to make your spreadsheet more visual, organized, or easier to understand, adding an image directly into a cell can be a great option. This is especially useful for product lists, inventory sheets, team directories, or any document where visuals help support the data. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to place an image inside a cell in Google Sheets so it stays neatly connected to your spreadsheet content. To begin, open your Google Sheet. Make sure you're on the sheet where you want the image to appear. Once the spreadsheet is open, take a moment to locate the specific area where you want to add the image. Next, click on the cell where you want to insert the image. This is important because selecting the correct cell first tells Google Sheets exactly where the image should be placed. If you want the image to line up with a specific row or piece of information, double check that you've selected the right cell before moving on. After that, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu contains several options for adding different types of content to your spreadsheet, including images. When the Insert menu opens, hover over Image. This will expand the image options available to you. Google Sheets gives you more than one way to add an image, so hovering here helps reveal the specific option you need. From the image options, click on Insert an image in the cell. This choice places the image directly inside the selected cell instead of floating above the sheet. That means the image becomes part of the cell itself, which can make your spreadsheet cleaner and easier to manage. If needed, you can later adjust the row height or column width so the image displays more clearly. A file picker window will appear. In that window, click on Browse. This allows you to search your computer or device for the image file you want to use. If you already know where the file is saved, this part should be quick. Now select the image from your device. Once you choose the file, Google Sheets will upload it and insert it into the cell you selected earlier. Depending on the image size and your cell dimensions, the picture may appear scaled to fit within the cell. And that's it. You've successfully inserted an image into a Google Sheets cell. This is a simple but very useful feature when you want your spreadsheet to be more visual and informative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.